should we focus our attention while meditating on the top of the head? Don't have to focus anything anywhere. You are not doing anything, it is the Kundalini which is coming. So you don't have to do it. Don't fight with your attention. She will manage. She knows her job. That's one point. Do the deities like Sri Ganesha, Mahavishnu, etc. have the forms as depicted in your scriptures? Of course. That are the deities. Or do they stand for some state of mystic consciousness pertaining to yogic centers? Of course they do. These deities are there. Ganesha is just like Ganesha. Of course, in color he differs from one to another, depends on. But his state of mystic consciousness is different from that of Vishnu, from that of Shiva. He does his job. Everybody is a perfect master of their jobs. But they are in the form, absolutely in the form as you know them, no doubt. What a blessing we have. I mean, imagine I had to talk about Ganesha to these people who didn't know even the word G. Isn't it, doctor? They didn't know anything about it. And they have mastered Ganesha. Now ask them, they'll tell you all the chakras, everything. All this knowledge is here in this country of ours, all these beautiful jewels are here. When we are in the midst of people not familiar with Sahaja, can we mentally imagine the form of Reverend Mataji instead of keeping her photo in front? Of course, you can. This my photograph sometimes is used in very funny places. That should not be such. It's not a protocol. It should be used in a place where you are with people who are Sahajogis, or in your houses, homes. You shouldn't use them everywhere. Now this is a dangerous question. Does non-vegetarian food affect the sadhana? Is vegetarian food is preferable? Now if I say anything, you are going to be angry. But I'll tell you. In Sahaja Yoga, you are not supposed to eat any flesh of a bigger animal than yourself. If you are vegetarian, you could be vegetarian. If you are non-vegetarian, you can be non-vegetarian. But depends on what sort of a personality you are. Supposing you are a right-sided person, you better be vegetarians. But if you are left-sided, it's better to take to proteins. So we talk in proteins and carbohydrates. Take any kind of proteins. Now we Indians don't eat any proteins. Except for idli, I don't think we eat any proteins. That too we have rice in it. Proteins must be eaten by Indians, I am of that opinion, because we have become so weak. As it is, we are so frightened of income tax, this tax, that tax. Plus we are so weak, because we eat absolutely insipid food. So we should eat nourishing food, especially proteins in any form, but not the animal which is bigger than it. Like people eat horses, I don't know what else they eat, anything, elephant I think. For everyone, there is no prescription. According to your nature, you should eat. I mean, so many people don't do Sahaja Yoga when I say this. Just imagine. They miss their Atma Sakshatkara because of this. I mean, how did you become a vegetarian? Because your mother was a vegetarian. What else? From where did you learn vegetarianism? Supposing you were a Muslim, then you would have eaten somebody's heads also. So luckily you are born in a Hindu community, but we go too far with it. Morning till evening. I mean, this ritualism is so much in Madras also, that they told me Mother Sahaja can never work in Madras. I said, why? Because people are not at all Sahaj. In the morning they must get up at 4 o'clock, have their bath, go to the temple, come back. If one day they don't do it, then the whole day they are like mad people, thinking they have committed the greatest sin. This routine must be done. There is no routine in Sahaja. It's a living process. There is no routine in living process. Whenever the flower wants, it will flower. So why kill yourself with these rituals? This is our problem in the Hindu religion. Same with the Christians. I mean, everybody is competing. God has created this world for us to enjoy. I tell you, if you give up this, you will be very much absolutely relaxed. Forget it. At the most 5 minutes in the morning, Sahaja Yoga meditation, and 10 minutes in the evening before sleeping, finished. For that we have a center. You go and see them. That's all. The rest God will do for you. Now this is a nice question. So what is the final realization in sadhana? How should one proceed in that direction after he feels the vibrations in his head and palms? Initially. That's good. That means you have felt it, Mr. Subramaniam, and I am happy to know about this. But I would say that you have to come to our center and proceed with it. But we don't talk of the future. We talk of the present. Slowly you will be surprised how you are rising, how you are really getting all the powers in yourself. You yourself will realize, and you will be amazed. I mean, you will be surprised. Some people I have met after one year. I have a very good memory, but I could not recognize